This video is to be used for educational purposes only and is not intended to replace individual research or licensed investment advice. Unique experiences and past performance does not guarantee future results. Trading stocks, options, and spot currencies involves substantial risk, and there's always the potential for loss. Your trading results may vary. No representations are being made that any software or training will guarantee profits or not result in losses from trading. This is the JDfn Market Wrap. This is the Market Wrap on a Monday. I'm Jack Lott here on the James Dix Financial Network. Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac fell in trading today after Barron's said government officials do not expect the mortgage finance companies to be able to raise the equity capital they need, potentially forcing a bailout by the U.S. Treasury. Companies have been battered by record delinquencies and rising losses amid the worst housing slump since the Great Depression. The National Association of Home Builders said that U.S. home builders were as gloomy in August as they've ever been. The housing market index remained at a record low 16 in August. At 16, the sentiment index shows that barely 1 in 6 builders have a good feeling about the housing market. Well, some analysts believe that Lehman Brothers could face a fiscal third quarter loss of $1.8 billion, which would take its losses since the start of March to at least $4.5 billion. Qwest Communications International has reached a tentative agreement with its largest union about a day after a labor contract had expired. Brinker International said it would sell a majority stake in its Romano's Macaroni Grill chain to a private equity firm. Under the agreement, Brinker will get $131.5 million in cash. General Electric's chairman Jeff Immelt says that the company expects its business in China to double by 2010 to $10 billion a year. And Tropical Storm Faye is now taking aim at Florida after moving across Cuba. Shell Oil pulled 400 workers from offshore platforms in the Gulf of Mexico over the weekend, and Marathon Oil said it would take an unspecified number of workers off its offshore facilities. Scheduled U.S. economic reports coming out on Tuesday include the Retail Chain Index, the Producer Price Index, and July's housing start numbers. Earnings today, Lowe's companies earned $938 million, or 64 cents a share. Analysts were expecting 56 cents a share. BHP Billiton said that it earned more than $15 billion in the year to June 30th and dismissed the impact of weakness from developed markets on commodities demand as minimal. And Trina Solar, second quarter net income more than doubled to $17.1 million, or 68 cents a share. That's short of analysts' expectations of 78 cents. Earnings on Tuesday, Target, Home Depot, Analog Devices, Saks, Mesa Air Group, Hewlett-Packard, La-Z-Boy, and Novatel Wireless are just a few of the names. Some of the stocks in the news today, Dyax announced plans to apply for U.S. regulatory approval of its drug candidate DX88 during the first part of the fourth quarter. Activision Blizzard said it will split its stock on August 25th. The 2-for-1 split will give Activision Blizzard about 1.3 billion outstanding shares. And Hershey Company lowered its 2008 earnings outlook to the lower end of its previously estimated range of $1.85 to $1.90 a share from ongoing operations. And that is the Market Wrap on a Monday. I'm Jack Lott here on the James Dix Financial Network.